Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to Trade with Tariq. Today I'm here with a new topic, and all those guys are new. They can subscribe the channel and click the bell button for the coming videos notification. And I will share my Telegram link below in description. All those guys want to enjoy our Telegram. They can also join our Telegram channel as well. Today I'm here with the very important topic, the about the swing point. A lot of guys just randomly using the arrows that this is the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, like that. But there is no logic behind that, and they doesn't know any reason behind that. So today I will share when a swing form and what's the important swing for us and how you trade the C3, C4 other than within the swing and the key level how you can use and it can help you in your trading as well. You are watching the three different type of candles. Here is the three candle formation, this was three candle formation, and this was the two candle formation, and this was the ideal scenario for a swing, and in this form how you can treat the C3 as well. Let me move to the chart, and I will draw some picture for you that how you can trade these all types of swings as well. This is the candle one, we can call it the C1. C1 mean candle one, and next one is the C2. It's the called the candle two. And keep in mind, if the candle two takes the low of C1 and just close above in a range, then what you have to do in that scenario, what you have to do. One thing keep in mind that the color doesn't matter. You have to read the price as well. This is the bullish candle for me, and within this what I will expect because C2 clear just above the swing this candle low, and this is the ideal formation for me. I will expect that third candle open, create a low, and then I will see a reaction in the 50% of this week, and I can expect that the higher prices within the expansion within the third candle as well, and I will trade the third candle as well in that scenario. This is the first one, and what's the second one? In the second one scenario, if you doesn't find any you doesn't find any entry in C3, then what you have to do? Then the C4 candle also will expand higher. No, after the C3, you have to wait for the C4. Almost you can find any entry, you can create, you can get the expansion in the C4 as well. In this form, the C2 clearer is within the C1 range. Now this is the C1, and this one is your C2, this one is C3, and this was the C4. How to trade that? As I told you that after closing of C2, you can trade with the third candle. Sometime it's come like that, and you can make this type of trade. And if you can't find any trade in the C3, then you have to mark the C3 with the Fibonacci, and you can trade the upper half, this 50 upper half of the C3, and you can the prices get expand from C3, and you will make an entry in the C4 as well. In next situation, next this is the ideal formation for me, and the next situation, if you find any entry here, the C2 clear below C1, If you find this type of the candle here, this is the open, high low close, and this is the C2. And if the C3 just expand higher and close above C2 or C1, if this is the also, if a candle third close above this or above this, then you can trade the C4 as well for the bullish prices as well. But C3 clear is the very important. This was the also a good scenario to trade if market closed like this, and then you can trade the C4 as well, and C4 will expand higher, and this is the second type of your swing point as well. Now, ideal scenario of next, let me explain here. This is the C1 and C2 taken the low of C1, and after that C2 close above the, you can see that close above the C1 opening, and within this scenario if candle to clear below above open of the C1, then same you can expect the higher prices as well in the C3 and C4. Okay, in this scenario you can trade the C3 like this. C3 will expand higher from this one area like this, and same further for C4 as well, you can expand higher. Okay, so this is the three type of the swing, and one is the, this was the third one, and this is the ideal scenario. If you find this type of, then you can plot a fibo, and you can make any trade. You can just watch the upper half of this 50%, and the prices will expand higher from this one, and you can trade easily, and you will bullish in that scenario. Okay, now let me move to the chart, and I will show this all things, how the market work, and how you have to see this type of scenarios. Now I'm here like this, I will use at the live chart in the market, and you can test it anywhere. C2 clear below C1, this is the second part of swing, and third candle close above of the C2, and I told you that you are expanded higher. Okay, and now you can trade this fourth candle for the bullish one. Now next one, you can again see market take the low, again market raining, and after that market next for the next scenario you have to wait for the another swing as well. In this one, you can clearly see here is the swing also. Let me delete this drawing as well. In that scenario, this is the ideal one. C2 taken the low or not, you have to see it. C2 not taking the low. Now this was C1, C2, C3, and C4 expand higher. Same for the next one, C1, C2 taken the low, C3, and then C4. Again, you find C1, C2 taken the low of the C1, C3 expand higher, C4 expand higher. Okay, next, this called the clear in the market, and when you read these all types in the market, then you will know about how the market works in the real scenario. You can clearly see all the types which you watch here. You will trade, and you will find it, and you can trade it easily. You can apply it at anywhere, at any chart. First you have to see the player of C1, then you have to see the player of C2, and same as I told you that you can see here C2 close below, C3 close above, and C4 expand higher. Okay, Next, again, if the candle close below, then what you see in the market is you can see candle 2 close below, candle 2 close below after C1, and third candle close above of the open of the C2. You can clearly see here this one. Now you can see C3 close above at this point, and same expand higher. Now in this scenario, this was also a swing point for you. Now this one, C1, C2 close below C3, and when C4 close up, you are bullish. It's the work like a CSID. Now C1, C2 close, not close below, and in this scenario, you can expand in C3 and C4. Next one, you can see C1, the C2 taken the low of C1, and C3 you expanded higher. Okay. In next scenario, C2 close above, but C3 not close above that, so you not trade it. Here you can clearly see C1, C2 not close below, C3 expand higher, C4 expand higher. At the FVG, you can clearly see C1, C2, C3, C4. No, you can clearly see C1, C2, C3. No, this is this C2 is become the C1, which is the swing low. You are in a bullish mode. C1, C2, C3, C4, and next. Again, this is the C1, C2, and C3, C4, and expand higher. Okay. With the opposing candle, you have to watch what's the happening in the market. Okay. C3 and C4 are the good to trade. Now you can clearly see C1, C2, but again, market creating the C1, C2, C3. No, this is the C1, C2, C3 close below you, prices expand lower. No, again, C2 close below, C3 close above of the opening, C4 expand higher. Again, C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay. But what you see here, C1, C2, C3, C4. Now here, C1, C2, C3, and C4 as well. Now C1, C2, C3 close ups, you can expand higher. With this method, you can create any type of trade and you will enjoy. Now you can clearly see here C1, C2, but the inside bar now it's work for you as a CSID because market just reacting the opposing candle here. As I told in my Telegram channel, now you can wait for this FVG. Now you have the ideal formation for this one. Now in next week, I'm expecting the prices are bullish. Okay, and what's the draw for me? This high draw for me, and this one draw for me. Okay, you can take any trade. You have the bullish CSID in the daily as well, and same in the 4 hours still bullish CSID not getting confirmed. When market close above this 4 hour, then you can expand higher. So you have to see the candle clear, candle 1, candle 2, candle 3, then you make the trade. No, the ideal scenario, I will tell you the ideal scenario and how it's work here. You can clearly see it's the two kind of formation, C1, C2 taken the high and close above the opening, C2, C3, C4 expand higher. Okay, and same here, C1, C2 taken the high close below, and next you are sell. Okay, within the next C1, C2 close above, and next 2 days you are bullish. Okay, so with this way you can create make your trades as well, C1, C2, C3, C4 expanded higher. This is the ideal one, C2, C3, C4 as well. Okay. No, what I'm expecting the higher price in next week. This is the opposing candle for me. This is the ideal scenario for me. It is the clear of C2. What I'm expecting that market open, come down, and just in the 50% of week, and then This is the opening, open, low, high, and close. I'm expecting this one in the next day as well. I hope you understand how the market work with the swings as well, and how you can make the trade you can use in that any time frame. You can just use it and you will enjoy, and this can help you how to draw the bias, daily bias as well. So within this ways you can use in the weekly, daily close, you can see close above. And as I told you that your draw was the this side and this side, and this all the way go next 2 weeks you are bullish. Okay. So if I have any question, you can comment below, and join my Telegram link. I will post in the description below. So we will meet in the next video. Stay blessed, take care, and bye bye.